So, hi madlang humans. Today we're going to do the unboxing for GoPro Hero 8 Black. I bought it yesterday at bestbuy.com and then they arrived today. Just 1 day shipping from Minnesota. It's $100 off for from the original price. So, and I bought the bundle, special bundle, and it's included with this headrest, one small mini tripod, extra battery, and a 32 gig memory card. So we're gonna open it right now. Open it in the bottom. By the way, this is my first time to own a GoPro, so let's see. Ooh. Pretty similar box that like older GoPro one, like HERO8 and stuff like that. So this is how it looks like. Looks like bigger, a little bigger from the HERO8. So it says remove here, so we're gonna remove this one here. I don't know how. It's hard. I don't know, seems like I don't know how to. Oh, maybe this one first. So you need to remove the screw first. So see, the newer model is a GoPro Hero Black 8. It has a mounted, it's a built-in mounted. It has a, so the mounted thing is built in, so you don't need to pull, you just put it right away. So it's more convenient, you know. It looks really nice. So that's it. And then this is remove. I don't know how to remove this. Oh, here, it's like a plastic thing. I don't know, it's hard. So this is like a flat surface thing that you can save it if you want. You know, you can use it to put it in a table or in a flat surface. I don't know what's that for, but so we'll open the box here. So these are the instructions if you have any questions, stuff like that, you know. So put it in the side. So what's inside the box is a 32 gig memory card, USB to charge your GoPro, and the headrest. I think it's better if you buy the bundle one, because when you buy this thing, it's almost $20. When you buy this thing, maybe like around $20 also, you know. So you save money when you buy the bundle. So this is the headrest. You put this in your head, like when you're biking, stuff like that, you know, or like you're doing adventure stuff like that. And then there's 2 batteries from the bundle kit, because this one's extra. So it's really nice, you know, to have extra battery with you, especially when you go somewhere and you don't have time to charge it, because I think it's only like 2 to 3 hours you can use it like straight, you know. So that's it. And you have this thicker thing for flat surface. It's also included in the box. And this is the one, that small tripod, like a selfie stick. And it's nice grip, you can hold it. And I think you can also put it, if you want to stand it somewhere, like in a chair or in a flat surface somewhere, on a table, you know. So it's really nice, it's very convenient, and I think it's really good deal to have this bundle, and you save money, you know. So we do a closer look. It says HERO, it says 8 black for this model, and then the turn on button is here, and I think this is the, like, you click it for taking pictures or video, and it's really cute, you know. And I think we'll open here. How do I open it? Oh shoot, oh my gosh, it's scary. Oh shoot, I scratched it. I just scratched it on my finger. Oh, oh gosh. See, I'm so ignorant. It's my first time to have GoPro. How do you open it? Do I need to go to YouTube and... Oh, what the heck? Oh no, I just broke it, I think. Oh my gosh. You're kidding me. Oh, I can't close it. There. Okay, again. Open it. And then... This is ridiculous, really. I don't know how to open it. I'm scared. I don't know. This is a fail, you know. Well, this is how you learn, right? So there, I opened the GoPro app. Access the photo, stuff like that. Bluetooth, oh, I agree. Hello, next. Connect GoPro. So the camera, Bluetooth is off. Got it? And then camera pair. So it's connected now on my phone and my GoPro. So Catherine's HERO8 Black, save new name. Oh, my battery is 13%. That's weird. So skip. Let's go. Connecting. Okay, so
good morning. Welcome to
So I have a little review here. You see the snail? I think that's the slow motion. It says capture the action, then replay in slow motion or in real time. So it's all in one tap now. It's more convenient. And then that one is the wide, like the size of your pictures. Settings adjust, you know. See, there's activity, there's a slow motion, there's a standard, activity, a slow motion. Says you can go back, and then oh, so you can zoom it like that. See, just drag it down, drag it, oops, so drag it up if you want to zoom in, and then drag it down if just normal, you know. The camera is really nice. It's really clear. So maybe we can try, huh? Take a picture. Oh, that's recording. So it's recording here. You know, you can live stream, right? So it's recording on my phone too. So stop. GoPro. Oh, so there's a command that says GoPro capture, GoPro stop capture, GoPro start recording. So we'll try that, okay? Oh, okay. GoPro stop capture. GoPro start recording. Isn't it cool? Holy cow. GoPro stop recording. I think it's pretty much it. And then see the time and the date is current, like the present date and the time, May 6, 2020. So I think it's pretty nice deal, you know. It's really nice. I think I'm done. Thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna put all the nice stuff, the videos from GoPro. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. I think it's a pretty nice deal. I only bought it for $349.99 from bestbuy.com. I price match it from the GoPro website, so you guys can check it out. Let me know what your thoughts and comments down below. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my video. Bye. Thank you.